Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the fifth lecture of General Awareness Revision series. In this series, we are covering the current affairs in the form of MCQ. We'll cover the current affairs from September 2020 to February 2021. This series is very important for Phase 1 examination of RBI Grade B 2021. You can revise all your important current affairs with the help of this series. We are not covering all current affairs, but important current affairs will be covered. The first question is, which day has been observed as World Radio Day? The answer is 13th February. UNESCO proposed this day in 2011 and United Nations General Assembly accepted this day as a World Radio Day. According to UNESCO, radio is a powerful medium for celebrating humanity and constitutes a platform for democratic discourse. This year it is the 10th anniversary for World Radio Day and it has been more than 110 years of radio. This year the theme is New World, New Radio. So please remember the theme. It can be asked in your examination. All these information are very important for your upcoming examination. Educare 247 has launched General Awareness course for Phase 1 of RBI Grade B 2021. In this course, we are covering economy news from April 20 to March 2021. Finance news from April 20 to March 2021. We are covering social issues in news, important events from September to March, awards in news, person in news, important days, sports, appointments in news. We are covering the summary of Union Budget 2021-22 and MCQs based on that budget is there. We are covering economic survey summary and MCQs on that economic survey. We are providing static general awareness, economic static general awareness has been provided, and total 1500 MCQs on current affairs will be there in that course. So if you'll subscribe to this course, you'll get 65 marks in your examination. But if you are reading all the materials thoroughly, you can get 70 plus marks in RBI Grade B 2021 examination in general awareness paper. In NABARD Grade 2020, 6 Educare students got selected and 2 of our students are in wait list. So we are congratulating all our students for their happy and prosperous future. The next question is, ombudsman schemes has been run by which of the following organization? The answer is RBI. Recently, RBI has released the annual report of the ombudsman scheme for the year 2019-20. According to this report, there has been increase of 65% in number of complaints which is directly going to the RBI, and 92% of these complaints have been solved by the RBI. Under this scheme, a common man can directly approach to the RBI and register their grievances. This scheme is running under 3 categories: banking, non-banking financial companies and digital transaction. So that is also a very important point. This year, in 2019-20, the total complaint was 3,30,543. It is almost 65% more than the last year's complaint. Banking ombudsman received major complaints regarding ATM and debit card. Other complaint was related to mobile and electronic transaction. Some complaint was related to NBFC's business practices. People have complained they have lack of transparency in contract and loan agreement. So these were very important points. Please remember that it can be asked in the examination. The next question is, when was Financial Literacy Week was conducted by RBI? The answer is February 8 to 12. RBI has launched the Financial Literacy Week from February 8 to 12 in 2021. The aim of this week is to propagate financial education. RBI conducts Financial Literacy Week every year since 2016, and every year there is a particular theme for this week. This year the theme is credit discipline and credit from formal institution. Bank has been advised to disseminate the information and create awareness among customers. RBI will also run a centralized mass media campaign during the month of February to propagate the message of financial awareness to general public. If customers are aware, there are very less chance of being cheated or some fraud will happen. So it's banks and RBI duty to focus on financial literacy. Please remember this point. It is very important. It can be asked in your examination. The next question is, which of the following ministry has launched Mahatma Gandhi National Fellowship Program? The answer is Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. This program will run with the help of Indian Institute of Management (IIMS). 9 IIMS will be the part of this fellowship program. Under this program, a people will be trained for 2 years in IIMS and with the help of some field work. First year they will get the stipend of 50,000 rupees per month, and second year they will get the stipend of 60,000 rupees per month. This is the part of Sankalp initiative, skill acquisition and knowledge awareness for livelihood promotion. And Sankalp initiative is funded by World Bank. So please remember all these important points. It can be asked in your examination. The people who will get the training for the 2 years, after that they will run the campaign related to entrepreneurship in district and state level. So that is the overall aim of this fellowship. Please remember that. The next question is, which of the following organization has launched seaweed mission? The answer is TIFAC. TIFAC stands for Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council, and they have launched the seaweed mission. Under this mission, commercial farming of seaweed will be promoted and their processing will be promoted. Processing will add value in seaweed and it is good for overall national economy. Under this mission, model demonstration farm will be established and seaweed nurseries will be established for supplying different kind of sea so that scale up can happen. Other than that, onshore cultivation will be promoted. Then processing plant for integrated production will be set up to help in a growth in a stimulus manner. So these are the initiative under this mission. Please remember that it is very important for your upcoming exam. The next question is, skill development promotion program Sankalp has been funded by which of the following organization? The answer is World Bank. Recently, our skill development and entrepreneurship minister chaired a function transforming skilling through strategic partnership under Sankalp. Sankalp stands for skill acquisition and knowledge awareness for livelihood, and this is a World Bank assisted program. Under this program, district skill administration and district skill committees will be strengthened. So this is very important program. Under this, there are many initiatives have been taken by skill development ministry, like training the trainer. Some public private partnership has been developed to train the trainer. So that is very important point. Please remember that. Many awards has been started to promote the skill development planning. So these are the initiative under Sankalp. This is very important initiative. It can be asked in your examination. The next question is, Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahatsha has been organized in which of the following state in 2021? The answer is West Bengal. 11th edition of Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahatsha has been inaugurated on 14th February 2021 in Coach Behar Palace, that is in West Bengal. This Mahatsha, Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahatsha, is a flagship festival of Ministry of Culture and they are organizing this festival since 2015. All the 7 zonal cultural centers are participating in this festival and they are showcasing their folk, tribe, art, dance, music, cuisine, culture, everything. So this is very important. This year, this program will be held between 14th to 28th February. Initially, it will be in Coach Bihar from 14th to 16th, then from 22nd to 24th in Darjeeling, then from 27th and 28th in Murshidabad. So please remember all the facts. Anything can be asked in your upcoming examination. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.